This is a Starbeans announcement. A new shift is starting now. Keep working hard to earn your next promotion.
Hello people! So now, welcome sa aking channel. So, actually just wanted to share all my favorite play or games na encounter ko dito sa loob ng Roblox. So, with that being said, let's start with Starbeans Restaurant. So, if you like role-playing games and you like coffee and you just love to interact with people, this is the perfect game for you guys. No? Kasi una sa lahat, may kape. So that's how it is. Mahilig kasi ako sa kape. So, kaya napunta ako sa Starbeans. And as you can see, president na tayo, mga par. Kasi ilang buwan na din akong naglalaro nito. And ayan, na-promote na tayo sa pinakamataas na position na meron dito sa game. So, that's that. Kaya wala na din tayong arrow sa ulo. So, para maging staff ka, palaman mong staff yung isang tao, meron silang arrow sa ulo nila, either green or orange. Ito, katulad ng mga to. And kung wala ka namang arrow sa ibabaw ng ulo mo, that means ikaw ay customer and hindi ka staff. But you can still help out sa mga staff inside the store even if you're a starting customer. So you can still help out, pero don't expect to get promoted or umangat yung position mo since hindi ka naman staff or hindi ka nag-join sa free seed. So if you join free seed, automatic ka na magiging group staff. Okay? But you need to pass the application first. May application doon kapag ka-join mo. Just go there and become a staff and work your way through all the positions until ma-reach mo din yung president position katulad ko. Okay. Now, ituturo ko muna sa inyo kung paano ba laruin tong game na to kung hindi pa kayo familiar sa Starbeans. So, Starbeans is basically like SB, no, pero Roblox version. And you could actually wear uniforms here. Alam niyo naman na yan sa ibang game din. So, just inspect and try to put all the uniforms that you like. So, ito ay pwede mong bilhin and magamit sa ibang game or just try them all here sa game. Katulad ko, pinipili ko lang is yung bunny sa likod and bunny sa ibabaw ng ulo. That's that. Para cute lang. Ayan. Pero you can also choose to wear the uniforms provided. Up to you. Totally up to you. Kung anong gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo ma-immerse pa ng todo, you could wear other uniforms. Okay? Now, let's try to go inside the store. Now, minsan, kapag bago ka sa isang lugar, sa bagong game, overwhelming siya, di ba? Pero, first things first, ano ba munang gusto mong gawin? Customer ka ba? Or staff? Kung hindi ka pa sure, panoorin mo na lang itong buong video and see and decide kung gusto mo bang mag-cashier or just a customer. So now, since we're all customers here, kung bago ka lang sa game, yun yung starting position mo. Now, if you wanna become a staff, you just have to walk in here and walk in this area para maging staff ka. And when you walk inside, magkakaroon ka ng key card katulad nito sa inventory mo. So, once you get the key card, it's your susi or your key, basically your key to access the register. So, these are the registers. Madami yan. So, no need na mag-agaw-agawan. Okay? Unless may madamo talaga sa server, but I doubt that. Okay. So, now, how do you open a register? First, take out your key card. Then, once you take it out, click the monitor. There you go. So now you just have to wait for another player to come in front of you and say hi to them and take their orders. But that's another part. There's also this guys, the one with the bubble heads above their head. That means sila ay NPC or bot. So all you have to do is click
Can
the
you
bubble,
hurry up,
chat
please?
bubble,
I don't have
to
all
see
day.
their order. For example, siya yun. Hindi na natin nakita, sayang. But, specific na order niya ay grande mocha with ice cream and sprinkles. So, halimbawa lang, yun yung order niya. Take out your keycard, click the monitor. So, mocha. If I remember correctly, mocha. Click coffee. Oops. And then mocha. Then yung size, grande. With ice cream daw and sprinkles. Oh, we have a customer. Wait lang. This is what I'm talking about. See, there's another NPC. Just click the chat
Oh,
bubble.
wow. This place looks nice.
So
What do
she
you recommend?
needs one croissant. So croissant goes under dessert. Just click croissant and add that. If there's another order other than croissant, just click menu to go back to home and then find the other items that they wanted to order. But since croissant lang ang need niya, click next and then check out. There you go. Now, the order
Yeah,
you made
that'll
will
do.
show here. There, the croissant. So,
There's someone waiting in the
paunahan
drive-thru.
dito
Can one of our
kailangan
staff
mabilis kang
please take the
mag-claim
order?
so you could have or complete the order. So, croissants are located here. So, just need to take one. So, nakita nyo, uncooked siya. Meaning, kailangan mo muna siya lutuin bago mo iserve kay customer. And how do you do that? Dito, by baking them. So, pwede mo nang iwanan yan and create other items kung may iba pa silang order. Pero, since isa lang yan, let's just put it here. So, guys, take note na anything na kinuha nyo dito na order, kailangan nyo siyang ilagay dito once completed. And any order na makikita nyo dito sa screen na to, katulad nito, let's claim, dito nyo siya ilalagay. Okay, but first, we need to create the order. So, una, bunny cake pop. Ito lahat yung freeze pops, mga popsicles, cupcakes, and cake pops. Meron din ditong lalagyan, shelves, pero less items, mas madami yung kanina. Pero ang kailangan natin is bunny cake pop. There you go. Now, next ay cappuccino daw. Okay, how to create a coffee. Ito na tayo, perfect example. You just have to, step 1, pili ka ng size ng cup. Ngayon, kailangan daw ay size grande. So, pili mo yung grande. Kunin mo yan. So, any types of caffeine drinks like iced coffee, ito, hindi mo sila agad mailalagay dyan kasi wala ka pang kape. Kailangan mo muna silang lagyan ng kape. Pero kapag matcha or pink drink ang kailangan, pwede na siyang diretso katulad nito. Oh, diba? So, ngayon, since wala namang pink drink sa order, mali yung order natin. So, ngayon, kung nagkamali ka, pwede mo naman siyang itapon. There you go. Okay, next.
There's someone waiting in the
Try
drive-thru.
na nating
Can one of our staff please take the order?
gumawa ng tamang order. Now, let's put in some coffee. So, always put coffee kung coffee item yung ginagawa nyo. Let's refill. Okay. Now, anong kailangan natin? Cappuccino, di ba? So, cappuccino, place the cup if may coffee ka na. Okay, done. You now have a grande cappuccino. Pero, may nakalagay pa dyan na drizzle na caramel. So, ito yung drizzle. Ito yung mga toppings. So, may whipped cream, ice cream, sprinkles, chocolate drizzle, and caramel. So, now, ang kailangan lang sa atin ay caramel. So, caramel lang yung ilalagay. be very careful kasi minsan pwede kang magkamali ng lagay ng toppings. And uulit ka ulit sa simula kapag meron kang additional na ilagay na wala naman sa order. So, to complete the order, lagyan mo siya ng lid. Always make sure to put in some lids, takip, and straw. Then, saka mo i-place yung completed order. There! That's how you complete an order. Let's make another one. So, this time, donut. So, as you can see dito, may donut, di ba? And when you go here to the other side, walang donut. Kaya, suggest ko sa inyo, kung kukuha kayo ng mga desserts na cookies or ganyan, binibake, dito na lang kayo kumuha sa may gilid ng drive-thru. And then, bake them. Yan. Pwede mo lang iwan yan. Then, abangan mo na lang dito. Then, complete the order. There you go. So, ayan. Ayun lang yung basic ng ating star beans. And as a staff yon ha. So, as a staff, kung nakikita nyo siya, meron siyang green sa ibabaw ng ulo niya. Meaning, pwede na siyang ma-promote. And kung orange naman, katulad ni Salm, ibig sabihin, meron pa siyang 45 minutes. Dapat 45 minutes na siyang tumagal sa game para maging green siya. So, magiging possible na siyang ma-promote. Pero, hindi porket green na yung nasa ulo mo na arrow, is pwede ka nang ma-promote. Kailangan, yung mga mas mataas sa'yo yung position, makita ka munang nagtatrabaho. Hindi ka pwedeng naka-AFK, walang ginagawa, tas magpapapromote. Bawal yon. So, you need to work really hard kahit green na yung arrow mo. Kailangan mapansin ka nila na, uy, working hard na si ganito. Pupromote ko na nga. So, ganun. Katulad dito, nakatayo lang si Myra. I wanted to promote her, but I haven't seen her create some orders or take some order yet. So, let's just wait. So, while doing that, katulad nito, pwede ka ding mag-deliver. So, pick up natin yan, deliver tayo. So, may dalawa kang option. Either takbuhin mo lahat yan, pero remember, walang sprint dito sa game. Hindi, ganito nakabilis yung takbo mo, wala nang iba. So, para bumilis ka, pwede kang mag-spawn ng car kung hindi ka pa staff. So, pwede kang mag-spawn ng car. Pag nag-spawn ka ng car, make sure na mabilis ka lang magde-deliver kasi pag umalis ka sa car, meron ka lang 20 seconds to remove the car. 'Di ba? So, mawawala na yun. Balik ka na ulit sa start. Pero, you could also use, kung staff ka naman, you decide to become a staff, pwede mong gamitin yung motorcycle or bike to deliver items. See? So, may motorcycle tayo. At nakita mo naman, 40 seconds bago siya ma-remove sa map. So, mas matagal siyang mawawala. And, kapag sinakyan mo ulit siya, make sure na mabilis ka pa ding mag-deliver. Kasi, pag naubos yung 40 seconds mo, mawalan ka na ng car or ng motor. Yan, delivered.
Smells amazing.
See, 30 seconds. So, pag sumakay ka ulit, magbabalik siya sa 40. So, titigil yung countdown. So, now, let's try to get to the other locations. See, 40 seconds siya ulit. Okay, delivered.
Dude,
There you go. Minsan, sa una pala, mahirap i-control yung motorcycle. Pero as you use it, every time na magdi-deliver ka, masasanay ka na lang din. Okay, this is the last one. There. Okay, since nawala na yung bug sa likod ko, meaning tapos na lahat ng orders or deliveries ko. Pero may times na kahit kompleto mo na lahat ng deliveries mo, wala ka nang nakikitang sa mapa, may bug ka pa din. So, meaning, nag-glitch yung game or may bug yung game. All you have to do is rejoin or respawn kung gusto mo. Pero minsan di siya nawawala sa respawn, so I suggest rejoining the game para mawala lang yung bug sa likod ng avatar mo kung ayaw mong may bug sa likod or nababother ka na may bug pa din siya. Ayun lang. So, that's that. So, as a customer naman, how do you order? So, madaming options to order. Una is, eto, order ka sa cashier. Hahanap ka lang ng ibang players na nakaabang sa harap ng register and then talk to them via in-game chat. Dito ka magta-type. Yan, type ka lang dyan kung anong gusto mong orderin. And kung hindi mo naman sa ulo yung menu, huwag mag-alala kasi nasa taas yung menu. And ganun dito sa kabila. See? So, you just have to look up para makita yung menu ni Starbeans. And kung ayaw mo naman nang may kausap ka muna sa simula ng game, you could just zoom in here. Just look for any monitors or screen like this inside the store and just click start. So, dalawa yung options mo, either take out or eat in. Kapag eat in, dito mo i-collect yung order mo. Kapag naman take out, dito mo i-collect yung order mo. But I suggest, kunin mo na lang siya dito sa eat in. Baka kasi ma-press mo yung delivery. Pero kung masipag ka naman mag-deliver, why not coconut? Pero ang pipiliin ko ay eat in. So, ayan, pwede ka na pumili ng kahit na anong gusto mo. Pero maximum lang siya ng 5 items. Okay? Hindi pwedeng 10. 5 items lang yung pwede mo order. So, I want venti frappe, whipped cream and chocolate. And I also want latte. No. I want iced coffee with whipped cream and caramel. Yan. Tapos, pwede akong umorder pa ng fries. There you go. Fries. And, order tayo ng dessert. Gusto ko ng bunny cake pop. So, meron na tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. And pwede pa tayo ng isa. Choco chunk cookie. 5. See? So, meron tayong 5. And kung itatry pa natin mag-place ng isa pang order. Pwede pa pala. So, try natin. Baka inayos na nila kasi before, hindi talaga pwedeng umorder ng 5. But I think pwede na. Okay. So, now, huwag ka nang mag-worry kung wala kang pambayad. That's fine kasi free naman yung food dito. Just click done and then pay. Oh, I see. Tignan nyo. Okay, so 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo 5 lang yung maximum. So, I did put a bear cookie pero nakikita niyo naman wala na yung bear cookie. Meaning, hindi na talaga siya pwede. Hanggang 5 lang talaga yung items na pwede mong order. Now, no money yet in-game, no problem. Just click pay. Then, click pay again. Yan. So, huwag ka mag-alala kasi libre naman yung food. And then, ayan na yung order natin. Okay? So, makikita nyo dyan kung sino nagpe-prepare ng order nyo and kung ano ng status niya. Okay? Now, while waiting for our order, create muna tayo ng mga most common things na nahihirapang gawin yung ibang players dito. So, lagi ko kasing nai-encounter na paano ba gumawa nitong sub, ng grilled cheese, ng wrap, and saan makita yung chicken, yun yung pinaka most common. And paano ba gumawa, ano ba yung freeze burger? Okay, ang freeze burger, una sa lahat, is mga burgers. So, how do you make burgers? So, isa lang yan. Meron tayong big freeze, triple, double freeze. So, dalawa lang items ang kailangan mo to create burgers. Una, kuha ka ng isang burger buns at isang uncooked patty. Syempre, uncooked patty, lutuin mo siya sa grill. So, antay mo lang siya maluto. And then, kung ano man yung nakalagay sa order, mapa big freeze man yan, triple burger, or double, just click what you wanted to assemble. So let's say triple frizz burger yung napili niya. So let's do that. There, we now have triple frizz burger. So that's how you create a burger. Okay? So now, paano ba gumawa ng chicken? So, kung lang ng hilaw na chicken, lutuin mo siya dito. And just wait for it. There you go. We now have our cooked chicken. Now, paano gumawa ng grilled cheese? Madali lang. So, ang grilled cheese, kumukuha lang ako ng isang bread and isang cheese. Now, punta ka lang dito. Ayan, sabi dito. Skip mo itong step 2 para sa grilled cheese. So, grilled cheese. Ayan, we have now grilled cheese. Pero, obviously, meron pa tayong cheese na naiwan dito. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? Pwede mo naman siyang itapon kasi hindi mo siya nakakain eh. There. So, paano gumawa ng sub? So, ang ginagawa ko sa sub, kuha akong tinapay ulit. Then, kuha ko ng bacon. Then, lulutuin ko yung bacon. Antayin ko siya maluto. Then, assemble mo lang yung sub. There you go. Okay, last, the wrap. Paano ba gumawa yung wrap? So, just take a tortilla. I usually get the chicken, but tinatamad akong magluto ng chicken. So, you could just take a lettuce and then create a tortilla so you don't have to cook it. So, just take a tortilla and a lettuce and then choose wrap. There you go. Okay, so the main ingredient for wrap is chicken and tortilla. That's why the cooked chicken that I got on my inventory, napasama siya dito. But I still have the lettuce. But again, kung tinatamad kayo magluto ng chicken, you just get a lettuce and a tortilla. It will still work. Pero, yan, tatapon nyo nga lang yung excess item. Yan, we now have a wrap, a grilled cheese, and a sub. So, ganun siya gawin. Just in case na hindi din kayo aware kung paano siya gawin. So, ito naman yung fries. Kukuha ka lang ng fries. Dump mo lang siya dito. And then, dito mo na siya i-assemble. So, that's how easy the fries is. So, ayun lang. That's the basic of how you can help out sa mga staff sa Starbeans and kung paano mag-work sa Starbeans. So, just do that, yung mga pinagagawa natin ngayon, while waiting for your arrow to be green. See? So, see, itaon is may 30 minutes pa siya. So, while waiting for the 30 minutes, you could just play the game as it is. So, maybe take some orders, tambay ka dito, or create orders, tambay
There's
ka
someone
sa
waiting in the
harap ng
drive-thru.
screen.
Can one of our
Up
staff,
to you.
please, take the order?
So, ayun lang for today's video, I guess. Let me know if meron pa kayong question regarding sa Starbeans na hindi nyo pa alam gawin, or kung matagal na kayo naglalaro, let me know then. And just say hi to me if you see me inside the game because I do always go inside the game, but on different times nga lang. So, see you around and bye-bye!